San Diego police officers go to break up a fight outside a bar in the Gaslamp and go hands-on with one man.
Hey! Go! Go! No. Coming out. Hey! Bro, you knocked my tooth out? No! I'll fuck you up! Get the... You're about to get fucking hit again! I didn't even do nothing, bro! You knocked my fucking tooth out, nigga! What the fuck is wrong with you? Bro, I'm bleeding! Yeah, no shit! Put your fucking hand behind your back!
Get Sergeant. Calm down, calm down. You're fucking open. That's why he's going to jail and He's going to jail, nigga, because of you. No, it's my boyfriend.
Alright, what the fuck? Stay down! No, you fucking loud! What the fuck?
No, it's my boyfriend. He's okay.
Bro, what the fuck?
No, it's my boyfriend.
Bro, what the fuck? Stay down! Nah, you fucking knocked my tooth out, nigga! What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? No, my fucking tooth out, nigga! I'ma fuck you up! I'll fuck you up, nigga! I swear, put me in the fuck!
Get them back!
Fuck you, nigga!
Get back!
Get back, I'ma fuck this nigga up! Nigga, knock my tooth out, I'ma fuck you up, nigga! Put me in the cell with you, nigga, I'll fuck you up! Fuck me up, nigga! Knock my fucking tooth out, I'll fuck you up! Put me up, nigga! Put me in the fucking car! Hurry the fuck up! Fuck, man! Why you fucking my knife? You hit me in the fucking face? Stop! You're fired, nigga! You're fired, bro! Nah, he's fucking fired. Not my fucking tooth out.
Hey, we need to get him in a car.
Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? Nah.
You a rapper?
Nigga, knock my tooth
just see how
out,
bad
nigga.
his blood.
Nah.
We were getting swarmed. This is the only top 16 we got here. This is the only one we got. I was getting swarmed by 3. Sergeant's taking him down. It's the best we had.
Knock my tooth out. I'ma fuck him up. Nah, fuck that. Knock my fucking tooth out. I'ma fuck you up, nigga. I'ma fuck you up. Whoa, nigga. Get the fuck out of me. You have to fucking smoke me, nigga. I'll fuck you up. Why the fuck you knock me out? You in my fucking face. Why? I'm gonna fuck you up.
Calm down, dude.
Nah, you get in my fucking face, bro. For what?
Calm down.
I wasn't even doing nothing wrong.
You need to calm down.
I was picking up my girl, nigga.
Take a deep breath.
I'm fucking doing on the ground. What the fuck you talking about?
Calm down.
Nah, what the fuck you talking about?
Walk to the car or not?
Hey, nigga, some rap, nigga. You wanna try and get him into a car? I don't know what your fucking act up, bro. I don't know what your act up, you nigga. You're a fucking faggot. Fucking bleeding. Fuck you, nigga. I'll kill you. I'll find you, nigga. I'll kill you, nigga. Fuck you. Come touch me, nigga. I'll fuck you up. You don't know what you're touching, bro. You don't know what you're touching, nigga. fucking knock me on my tools, bro? My fucking tooth was on the ground?
No, I haven't been able to.
No, bro! It ain't even necessary for all that, bro. Just put me in the fucking car. Thank you.
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah, you got some?
I got some. I got bored. I'm like, whatever.
Oh, hurry the fuck up! Hurry up!
Let's see if John might have another one. Hey, Purdue, you got any more spit socks? Yeah. Okay, gloves?
Yeah. You ready? I gotta lift them out. The things are stuck under.
Oh my god, bro! What the fuck you doing, bro? Bro, take this back off! Bro, take this back off! I can't breathe! Bro, please, I can't breathe. Please, I won't spit on, I promise.
Which way are we
Bro,
going?
I
This one?
promise I won't spit on.
Get this whole thing strapped up.
Bro, I won't. Bro, I promise. I can't breathe, bro. Bro, I can't breathe. Bro, I promise I can't breathe, bro. Bro, that hurts. The cups hurt, bro. This chill, bro, ain't even gonna steer me.
Sit up.
Bro, why the cop hit me in my face? Yo, you guys ignoring me? Sir, ma'am, please. Ma'am.
Okay, just relax, okay?
Ma'am, please. Who's the officer that hit me in my face?
I don't know, but it wasn't me.
Ma'am, I'm gonna find out who hit me in my face. That wasn't necessary at all. I was not praying anymore. Someone hit me in my face, chick. I knocked my tooth out, bro. Hey, bro, you guys are fucking roughing me up.
Take a deep breath, dude.
Bro, I can't. You guys are doing this to the wrong person, bro. I'm not like that, bro.
Gerard! Gerard! Make a hole!
Hey, let's make a corridor. What are you guys doing, bro? I wasn't even doing nothing, bro. What the fuck? Come on. What the fuck?
You need someone, Cheryl?
My head, bro! My head!